Hi, my name is Abhinav, and I'm currently working as a BMS algorithm development engineer at Decibels Lab. I also work on cell testing and characterization, and I have also developed many lithium-ion cell digital twins, such as 1RC model, 2RC model, and as such. In the webinar that is going to be hosted on 15th of December, we will be covering the topics of lithium-ion cell parameter estimation. So in this webinar, we'll be covering important topics such as parameters, the different types of parameters of a lithium-ion cell, and what are all the classification of the parameters, such as internal resistance, capacitance, temperature, and things like this. So we'll also be covering what are the different methods of estimating these parameters and how exactly they'll be applied in a particular lithium-ion cell model. So basically, we'll be having an overview of a lithium-ion cell model, such as 1RC and 2RC. And then we'll be trying to compare the different estimation methods of both of these type of models. And then we'll be coming to a simple conclusion on how exactly they can be used in a model simulation. And then along with that, we'll also be looking at the simulation results. So that is the overview of the topics that will be covered in that particular webinar. Thank you and wish to see you in the webinar.